How to get the Instagram colorblind filter? Well, let me show you how it's done. First things first, you go to Instagram and go to your stories, and over here you can see that I already have the colorblind filter. But if you don't have it in your saved profile, all you have to do is search in for dude.sg. This is the creator of that filter. All you have to do is go to his filters, and over here at some point you will find the colorblind filter. All you have to do is click here and press add, as I'm doing right now. Once you added it, all you can do is go to your story and you can use the filter. So once you start, it will ask for whatever is the different color in this, you have to choose. So I'll keep choosing, and after some point it will give me the score that I get, and according to the score it depicts the color blindness level. And yeah, this is my new highest apparently. But yeah, you can try it out for your own. I hope this video helped you guys on finding out where the filter is. And if indeed it helped you out, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.